Hello everybody, how do you do? Welcome back to another video of Roadhouse cocktails, where in this video I'm going to make you Hollywood Hills. Let's get these Hollywood Hills going. It goes to the long hurricane glass with the full of ice. First ingredient will be 6 or 10 ml of Chambrod, 10 ml of Passoa, and nice 37.5 ml of Vannila vodka. Now we need dash of raspberry puree and a dash of passion fruit puree, together with 100 ml of nicely squeezed or bought passion fruit juice. Now we're gonna shake it well. And we're gonna strain it into our glass, and what is missing there will be top up with the lemonade. Just be careful, it's really foamy. Our straw and beautiful passion fruit, and maybe you can put your raspberry in there. So, and that's your Hollywood Hills. Alright, let me show you quickly explain what I was doing while I was making these beautiful Hollywood Hills. So first I need to take my glass. So first I'm taking my glass, alright? The glass, nice, beautiful Roadhouse plastic hurricane glass. And I'm gonna put it in front of the customer, slide it into the other hand, and then I'm gonna do a thumb roll on my left hand, which is gonna look like this. Nada. Now this hand is ready to go to get some ice, get ready to chill. Now we're gonna take our shaker. The first ingredient will be between 5 and 10 ml of Chambrod, which will the move look like this. I'm gonna just put the shaker on top of it and slightly slide down that from the back bar into the pour, where I'm gonna pick up the bottle, and the move looks like this. There we go. Now we have our Chambrod there. Now we need 10 ml of Passoa and 37.5 of our Vannila vodka, so we can go straight away from Passoa with the Vannila vodka into the cross pour, and we're gonna put 10 ml of Passoa and 37.5 of Vannila vodka. Now we're gonna finish like that, putting back all those bottles, and now we can go straight away for a first puree, which will be good dash 6 ml of raspberry puree, and now another move for passion fruit puree. After that, we're gonna have to finish it with reverse grip, nicely around 100 ml of the passion fruit juice, which looks just like that. I just spill it. Nobody see anything. Nobody see anything. Alright, so as soon I did really clean passion fruit juice in there, really squeezed, nicely poured it and squeezed. Now we need to shake it. After shake, we're gonna do slightly get rid of all the cocktail into the cocktail, and then to do simple cut. And again, we're gonna strain it in old school way, but as soon as I cut it, I'm just gonna do cut, release it flat from this position, and it's gonna drop into my tin just like that. And then strain it This has a beautiful color, beautiful. And then top up, just simple with the lemonade. After you garnish it, don't put your napkin in your mouth because it's anti-hygienic, but when the music is loud and everybody is drunk, feel free to do whatever you want. Be stylish. And this is your Hollywood Hills. Trust me, it's really tasty. So give it a try and let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Thanks for watching. My name is Sikky and here is the link to subscribe. If you do like my videos, do that and also ring that bell so you're gonna get notified for my new upcoming videos. Till next time, be awesome, keep practicing, keep drinking, and see you next Tuesday.